Hello you guys, today's video is Would You Rather. So, this is actually kind of new. So, I'm gonna read the question and I'm gonna do it. And if you guys wanna do it too, I will put it in the link down below. Would you rather be a cat or a dog? I'd be a dog, of course. Wow, they agree. Jeez. Would you rather die from I don't know. I guess. Wow. Shit.
I'm gonna go back on you now.
If you had kids, would you rather refrigerate food to feed them, lick your food to bathe them? No, that sounds gross. Wow, people. Would you rather store all your photos on Facebook, store all your photos on Flickr? Facebook. Would you rather sound like anyone you want, speak any language you want? That's a trouble.
Oh my gosh.
Sound like I go with sound like oh wow. Everyone picked that one. But I would like to sound like anyone you want. So
Well, if it is it, I'm gonna go live now. So, Polly, if you wanna join after you're done, by the way, you can.
alright.
Would you rather
Be in Justice League or be in Avenger? Justice League, of course.
Let's bye. Bye.
Bye. Would you rather fight a wolf with your bare hands or fight a large bear with your sword? Yes. As a 15 years old, would you rather hate your parents but have to be with them 24/7? Love your parents but have them both die a horrible glory death right in front of you? Okay. Would you rather Super Smash Bros. The League of Zelda? I love chocolate, so I would be, yeah. Chocolate is my favorite, so sorry, peanut butter, you're the 10th of my favorite. Would you rather win a lottery or live twice as long? Lottery. I'm sorry. Would you rather live in a penthouse in the city, live in a mansion in a country? Mansion. Would you rather toilet paper a house? Not gonna lie, I would do both of these. Toilet paper in a house and an egg in a house. Throw them. This is actually a tricky question for me, cause I would do totally both of them, but I have to pick that one. Would you rather be known for inventing Taylor Swift or be known for smacking Rihanna? No, heck no. Heck no. Rihanna is one of my favorite singers, so no. Sorry, Taylor. Would you rather never have to stock grocery shopping again? No. Pretty much. We do need food. Would you rather only be able to see words in a shade of red, better hear people when they speak? That's not chicken country for me, but This is actually a new video. Yay! Would you rather be the president of what the hell? I don't even know where the heck this is, but okay. Would you rather kiss a hobo or lick someone dirty feet? Oh no, why are you doing this to me? I'm skipping it. Would you rather live in an anime? Live in a Disney cartoon? How many Disney cartoons? Okay, not gonna lie, I would pick that too, but I kind of sort of like a little bit anime, so I don't know. Would you rather not to be a baby for taste? Have a stomach ache. Would you rather have a stomach ache or would you rather have to sleep 3 hours every day? Have to sleep 15 hours every day. Would you rather live in Boston or live in New York? In New York. Boston may be kind of beautiful, but you know. Would you rather be confined to a wheelchair for the rest of your life and be able to have children? What the heck? Would you rather live in a Doctor Who's universe or live in the Star Wars universe? I hate Star Wars, but that gotta be my pick. Would you rather be in No Name rock band or be in wild popular kids band like the Wiggles? What the heck? By the way, guys, so the credit is from Messier Stuff. He's the one that does these videos first, I think. Would you rather? So please subscribe to his channel, though. Would you rather know how to speak only English or know how to speak every language but never? I mean, every language but never. Would you rather wear an eye patch or a peg leg? Eye patch. Spend a day with Taylor Swift. Spend a day with Beyonce, yes. That would be awesome, actually. I get to know her, gotta spend her, hopefully. Would you rather punch a pro girl or eat a avocado? Would you rather have all fingernails and toenails removed quickly? No! Deep paper cards on the wedding between each finger and toe slowly. Why are they doing this? Hell no. I didn't pick. They got off for silver. I meant squishy. Would you rather fly like Superman? Travel like Superman? Would you rather have all your lungs cut? Heck no! Would you rather vacation one summer in Gravity Falls? Yes, please. Enter one season of Total Drama Island, but get third place. Okay, Total Drama Island was totally my favorite show, But in Gravity Falls, yes, of course I would love to be on vacation there one day. And Gravity Falls, I've been exploring everywhere. I was be screaming. Nah, guys, I'm kidding. I would just be exploring there. Would you rather have a baby dragon, or have a baby pug? Next. Baby dragons, because they are so cute, even though they're not real. Yes, guys, they're not real. Would you rather get caught cheating? Catch your partner cheating? Would you rather be in a car accident that kills only you? Or be responsible for a car accident where you live, where your 5 close friends and family die? Why do I have to do this? Would you rather be one of the king at the knights, the round table, or being one of the wedding? Robin Hood, merry man. Would you rather eat 50 chicken nuggets or eat 6 Big Macs? 50 chickens? I'm sorry, guys, but I don't like chicken nuggets that much. No judge, people. No judge. No, I don't even want to see a comment. How could you not love chicken nuggets? They are so good. I used to love them. Would you rather live in a giant shoes or live in a giant peach? Okay. Would you rather spend a night person with Rosie the man? I don't even know who's that. Or have your 2 front teeth out? I don't really know who is this person, but can you guys tell me? Would you rather score a tail or sport a corn? Sorry if I said that wrong. Very wrong. Watch it and you know. Would you rather slam your head in every door? For yes, that would hurt. Would you rather be Cinderella or Ariel? Ariel. Oh heck yeah, tropical island. I'm a tropical island. Would you rather have to eat the same meal every meal for the rest of your life, or eat whatever you want except 1 month you have to eat a dodo do do do. Would you rather be a good habitable or be a ginger? A ginger. Would you rather wear a wooden bodysuit in sunbra or wear a bikini in? Would you rather always have mud in your shoes or always have mud? Would you rather be available to kill anyone by writing their name in a notebook, or be available to heal anyone of any injury, illness, or return to Jesus, this game has so much. Yo. Wake up. Would you rather be woken up at 8 a.m. every morning and forced to watch Mr. Doubtfire, or get punched in the face by an average man once every 2 months? Would you rather get completely drunk after 1 unit of alcohol, Or yes, that is a good idea.